Hi guys, I got a new bag. And by new bag, I mean the new Astrid bag. Newly released of Astrid. And it's this bag. I am so in love. This is in the size small. Pero girl, hindi ako naniniwala na small lang to dahil. For its capacity, hindi ako naniniwala na small lang tong bag na to dahil. What I love about this bag is that it has this hindi mahiwalay-hiwalay yung strap ng bag nyo. Plus, it has double zipper. Ayan. Double yung zipper niya, girl. And girl, sobrang bihira lang sa mga bag yung mga double zipper. Kaya, I love. And look at what fits in my bag, guys. I have here my sunscreen, my powder, my hairspray, earbuds, my blush on, mic, my blush brush, my Light fan, my power bank, my pocket Wi-Fi, my inhaler, my setting spray, my primer, my pressed powder, my concealer, and my lip tint. It fits perfectly in this bag and my space pa siya, girl, for my coin purse. Sobrang daming pwede ilagay dito sa bag na to, and knowing that it's only size small, girl. Plus guys, it has pockets inside the bag. Kaya grabe girl, as a fan of Astrid bag, I am so happy with their new release bag.